Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today we're back with another video, and in today's video, thank you so much to Landfo for sending on over this polygel kit. It does include 12 polygels of 15 grams along with the double-sided brush with the spatula and brush on the other end, along with a 180 grit file, base coat, top coat, 10 ml each, and also a slip solution along with some dual forms. So here I'm just going to quickly show you everything that it incorporates, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked, hit that notification bell, and subscribe if you haven't already. So yeah, here I'm just briefly going to show you everything that it includes. I really love the colors, and the quality of this polygel kit was excellent. It reminded me of the Makart formula. It was stiff, easy to work with, and not runny whatsoever, which I absolutely love. So yeah, here I'm just showing you for those who are interested in working with dual forms or enjoy working with dual forms. I'm just showing you what they look like, which is the perfect curve. They're not too curvy. And then the only downfall to this was that the color that I had on the packaging wasn't the color that resembled the actual polygel for many of them. Only a couple of them did resemble the same color as the one it showed on the packaging. But I mean, it is what it is. But I wish that would have been more like, to par, but it's just the way that it came. So for example, here you see that it has like a purple as the color, and then it's like a pink. So some colors match, some didn't, but the colors were definitely there. They were definitely beautiful. I loved working with these. Like I mentioned to you guys already, definitely was like the Makart formula. So by the way, I want to let you guys know right now that I didn't end up creating a set that I enjoyed or that I liked. I did enjoy creating it, I just didn't like the outcome of it. I thought it just wasn't pleasant to my personal eye, but maybe you guys like it. So yeah, I just wanted to put that out there because sometimes you will make sets that you're not happy with. This one was definitely one of them. And I'm also going ahead and swatching the colors for you guys to see, and I will end up showing you what they look like after I've cured them under the UV LED lamp for 60 seconds. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy, and I will let you enjoy the rest of the video. These are what the colors look like after they've been cured. And now I'm just going to quickly set up everything that I need. I am using the slip solution that the kit came with to maneuver my polygel. Now I'm going in with my Couture. I think these are like XL coffin nails. And I like these really a lot because they are already pre-etched and they're long, and I love the shape. My sister did gift these to me, so thank you so much to her. She actually gave me a bunch of Couture nails, so it was really sweet of her. Next, I'm just removing the free edge from each individual nail, and then I'm going to go on in with my UNT peel off base coat because I will be removing the nails after this tutorial. But yeah, so if you want to practice or you just want them on for a couple of days, maybe a day or two, definitely recommend you use a peel off. My favorites are UNT and also the one from Vetsy. The one from Vetsy is a little bit more sturdier. And now I'm just going to go in with my nail stand, and I'm going to be placing the polygel from cuticle to free edge of the full coverage nail, and then I'm going to maneuver my way through the nail from sidewall to sidewall, making sure or trying my best that there isn't any spaces that you can see. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. This was a stiff polygel, reminding me of the Makart one. The formula was definitely A1. I give them that. The colors were beautiful. I genuinely really liked the Landful Polygel. Let me know if you guys have tried it out before. But yeah, here that is what I am doing, and I'm going in with the Luxe wipes from Eno as well, just to clean off my brush consecutively as I'm working with polygel, because as we all know, it does get sticky. So here I'm just working my way through from the cuticle all the way down to the free edge, trying to spread it thoroughly and making sure that I balance the polygel out right for when I place it on. It doesn't like, there's sometimes when you apply too much polygel, what happens is, and you're doing the lazy girl method, what happens is that when you turn the nail around, you'll see it like accumulate in a negative way that you don't want. So I will definitely show you guys the way that it should look towards the end. That's why I work with a little bit, or I try to eyeball it. As you use it more consecutively, you will know, how much to put. Also, depending on the length of the nail. I haven't worked with polygel in a really long time, but I have so much of it that I really want to push out a lot of polygel content, and I know a lot of people enjoy watching polygel videos. So yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying this video so far. I will show you all how I apply them on my nail. If you'd want these to last, you'd remove the shine off the surface of the nail, apply a dehydrator. If you don't have a dehydrator, you could always use alcohol. Then you'd go in with a primer of choice, and after that you would apply some base coat, cure it under the lamp for 60 seconds, and then you'd go in and either use the half cover nails, which is the way that a lot of people do it as well, where they put the nail tip and then build the nail. They sculpt it. That's a little bit more advanced. And then you could also do the lazy girl method, also known as the Femi Beauty method, which is absolutely amazing because it's fast, effective, and anybody could do it. That's my favorite way. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not the best at sculpting nails with just a nail tip. So yeah, it's very simple and anyone could definitely do this at home. Let me know if you guys like the lazy girl method, if you do them at home, or if you prefer doing polygel with tips. I will have future videos doing it with tips. It's just I'm not the best at it. So shout out to everybody who is able to perfect polygel nails in that way. But yeah, as you guys are seeing, the polygel isn't runny, it's not soft, it's really easy to work with, it's stiff, and I absolutely love that. So I'll let you guys finish enjoying the rest of the tutorial. So these are what the nails are looking like after I placed them all on and cured them under the lamp. Now the underside of the nail should look like this, no bulging, which is exactly what you want to achieve. I'm going in with an alcohol prep pad just to remove that tacky layer on the underside, and if I got any tackiness on the nails as well on top. So that's what I'm going to be doing here. These just make your life a lot simpler, these alcohol prep wipes. I really enjoy them. I do get them through Amazon. So yeah, that is what I'm doing here. And like I mentioned, I didn't really like this nail design, but I already had taken my time to do it, so I was gonna post it regardless. And also to show you guys that you're not always going to achieve sets that you like, and that's okay as well. So now I'm going in with the file that the kit brought. It wasn't my favorite, so I did end up switching on over to my most loved nail file, the Tammy Taylor one. But I'm just going in and lightly shaping and filing to my liking, and then I'm going to also go in with my Tammy Taylor file and blend in that cuticle area with the file instead of using the file. Usually I always show it with the drill, but I decided this time I wanted to show you guys that you could also achieve it with just your old-fashioned nail file. So here, that is what I'm doing, and then I'm gonna go in and show you guys what they look like. I am removing the dust with my duster brush, and after I'm done doing all of that, I already went ahead and applied one foil on my nail, and I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys the other nail that I do. For the video won't be so repetitive. So I have these LV with the Takashi flowers, super cute. I hadn't used foils in a while, so I might as well use them and show you guys the way I do it. So I just want to use the Beetles foil glue, cured it for 60 seconds, and grabbed my silicone tool, placed the foil, and did the best that I could. Honestly, foils are like a hit or miss. So and now I'm just grabbing my, what is this dish called again, my mixing plate, and I'm going in and applying the colors I like. I'm gonna mix them and create like a marble look. I did forget to apply base coat beforehand, or like a blooming gel, so I kind of had to create my own marble to the best of my ability because it didn't have like that nice spread out look. So yeah, you guys will see what I'm doing here. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about this set. I mean, it was alright, honestly. It's not my favorite, but I'm just glad I could get a video for you guys to see the way that I do the lazy curl method, or the way that you can use polygel in an easier fashion. So yeah, I'll let you guys continue watching the video. So now I'm going in with some matte top coat, and I'm going to be applying that to all the nails, and then we're just going to go in and apply some cuticle oil. And that is pretty much it for today's video. Let me know your thoughts and opinions. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, hit that notification bell, and subscribe to never miss out on any of my videos. Thank you for those who are still here supporting me and watching my content. I really appreciate you all. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys stick by me, and I will be trying my best to post a lot more content like I used to. I kind of drifted away from my channel, I'm not gonna lie. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna try to stay motivated and continue to go on with this channel, just because I'm not gonna lie, it's hard, you know, to be consistent. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next upload.